So, dito tayo ngayon sa Valle Verde at in-invite tayo ng Rotary para mag-talk tungkol sa good intentions, which is yung laging kinukuha sa akin na module. So, tara!
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your minds for the most sought-after mind reader who will talk about the magic of good intentions. The mental assassin, Justin Pignon!
Good evening, everybody! I would like to end this talk with one of my favorite quotes. Madalas sa kagustuhan natin maging magaling, nakakalimutan natin maging mabuti. Naniniwala ba kayo dyan? Alam niyo ba kung saan ko napanood yan? Napanood ba yan? Tama, sa John Lloyd movie yan.